This video features standard cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current meal sauce kit will be replaced by our innovative transformation all-in-one complete sauce. With our convenient, easy-to-use complete sauce for vongole pasta, you can now prepare delicious vongole pasta in 5 easy steps. This vongole pasta is a distinct prima rendition of a rich and aromatic sauce of clam juice and fish consommé to make spaghetti vongole or picante di vongole. Here are the ingredients you need. We recommend using live manila clams. You may also use other live sea clams. Watch till the end to learn how to clean and store live manila clams. Do note that adding more clams will result in a saltier dish. You may use any spaghetti. We recommend using San Remo spaghetti. We will show you how to prepare spaghetti for vongole. You may add more garlic and chili in olive oil if you prefer more garlic and a spicier dish. Watch till the end to learn how to prepare the additional garlic and chili in olive oil. Here's how to prepare the spaghetti for vongole. Bring water to high boil and cook spaghetti. Pre-cook the spaghetti 3 to 4 minutes lesser than the recommended time on the packaging. Then drain and drizzle with olive oil. Mix well to prevent sticking. Leave the spaghetti to cool at room temperature. And now let's start cooking. Step 1. Heat pan over medium heat and add olive oil, garlic and red chili if you prefer a spicier dish. Stir fry till fragrant. Take note to not brown the garlic. Step 2. Add clams and white wine. Stir fry to mix well. Add Prima Taste vongole pasta complete sauce. Stir and cover pan for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the size of the clams. Clams will start to open up during cooking. Here's a tip for you. You may shake the pan occasionally for clams to open faster. Step 3. Remove the opened clams and set aside. Cover pan and leave the unopened clams and sauce in the pan. You may tap the unopened clams to open them up. Do not consume the clams that do not open after cooking. Step 4. Once all the clams are removed, add spaghetti and stir well. Toss the spaghetti with sauce for 3 to 4 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly. Step 5. Add in the opened clams. Mix well and cover pan for approximately 10 seconds to reheat the clams. You can also use this sauce to make picante vongole. All you need to do is omit the spaghetti. Isn't it easy? Try it today. You may also prepare 1 serving and store the balance vongole pasta sauce. Simply seal it with a clip, refrigerate and use within 3 days. Not only is our complete sauce convenient and easy to use, it is also value for money, offering an average savings of about 46% as compared to other food outlets. If you prefer more garlic and a spicier dish, you may add more garlic and chili in olive oil. We will now show you how to prepare them. Step 1. heat pan on medium heat and add olive oil, garlic and half of the red chili. Stir fry till fragrant. Do note to not brown the garlic. Step 2. Add a pinch of salt and continue to stir fry for approximately 90 seconds. Step 3. Add in the white wine and fry for approximately 1 minute or until there are no more sizzling sound. Step 4. Turn off heat and add in the remaining red chili. Mix well and pour into a serving bowl. And here's how to clean and store live Manila clams. Step 1. Wash the clams with water. Step 2. In a separate bowl, add salt to water. Stir till the salt is completely dissolved and add in the clams. Step 3. Cover clams with a paper towel and refrigerate. Use the clams within 2 days. Step 4. Remove clams from salted water and rinse thoroughly. Drain well and they're ready to use. Check out our website for more cooking videos.